Kat Tanner,
Mallori Hurst,
Leslie Romero.
period 5.
We're going to show you how to solve a chemical equation.
Woo! So a chemical reaction is a process of rearranging the atoms in a compound. So Al plus Cl2 goes to what? By taking two or more compounds and combining them, so taking them apart and putting them back together to create something that's entirely new. Chemical equations. A chemical equation is a shorthand version of a chemical reaction using reactants and products. Example is something like table salt. So Na, which is a solid, plus Cl2, which is a gas, goes to NaCl2, which is a solid table salt. So the parts in green describe the state of matter, so like an S for solid and a G for gas. Then the arrow is indicating the reaction that occurs. The law of conservation of matter. When transferring of matter, the mass must remain constant because you cannot add or take away any quantity of the states of matter. So whatever goes in must come out. Counting atoms. When you have something like H2 plus O equals H2O. A subscript, which is the first green circle, is only covered by the single type of atom it represents and tells you how many atoms of the molecule there are. Over here, this is not a real equation, but I just kind of used it, is a coefficient of 2H plus O is reactions of H2O2. That's probably not a real equation. The coefficient, which is the green, is a shorthand way to show everything that one side has two atoms of the molecules.
This is an example of a balanced equation. They're balanced because they have the same number of atoms on the reactant side and the product side.
This equation is unbalanced because it does not have the same amount of atoms on each side. To make an unbalanced equation balanced, the first step is to find the unbalanced atoms, and you want to find like a way to make them balance. So for the second equation, you want to balance. The first part is 2 times 2 by 3, or yeah. So you put it in front. Take the 2 and you times it. That times the 3 and make it 6. And to not still unbalanced, so you want the other side to be the same. So you times the 2 by 3 again, or the 3 by 2 on this side, and it becomes Al plus Cl6 is, and then AlCl6 on the same side, so they're equal.
This is an example how to count atoms on the reactant side. On the reactant side, they're the same amount of atoms, and then the product side, there's the same amount of atoms.
So that was by Kat Tanner,
Leslie Romero.
and that's period 5. Thank you.